Now that we've finished converting between lengths, now we're going to be looking at masses. Okay, so how heavy an object is. Here we're going to be referring to milligrams, grams, kilograms, and tons. So these are the terms you need to remember. So you should be already aware of these. This one is actually a lot easier than lengths because we all know, I'm going to start off with the little definitions. There's 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. There's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. And there's 1,000 kilograms in 1 ton. So you can see that the conversion is always 1,000. So you can see from milligrams to grams, we divide by 1,000. Grams to kilogram, divide by 1,000 again. And here 1,000 again. And the other way around, we always do by 1,000 as well. Just the thing is, smaller unit to a larger unit, we divide, and large to small, we multiply. Exactly the same as what we did with the lengths. As long as you remember that, this part is actually much, much easier, because all the time we need 1,000. So 1,000 is the magic number, so remember that. Let's try the questions. Let's get started with the first one, A. 3 grams to milligrams. Okay, grams to milligrams is a larger unit to a smaller unit, so we must multiply by 1,000, getting 3,000 milligrams. But they want it in scientific notation, so you can see that it's just 3 times 10 cubed. Okay, because there's 3 zeros after the 3. Try these yourself, guys. B and C, try them yourself, so give yourself some time. But I'll keep going. 100 grams. Grams to milligrams, exact same thing. We're going to be multiplying by 1,000, which gets you a lot of zeros. And that's going to be 10 to the power of 5. 1 times 10 to the power of 5, because there's 5 zeros. All right? And again, multiply by 1,000 because it's grams to milligrams. Simplify it. And to scientific notation, make sure you put the decimal after the first number, 2.4 times 10 squared. All right, I'm not going to go through the scientific notation in much detail anymore because I've already done that a lot, but that's the kind of idea. Tons to milligrams. So this time we're going from the largest to the smallest unit. So we need to multiply, because we're going from large to small, 3 times, 3 lots of thousands. So it's 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. And then you can see that it's going to be a lot of zeros here. Count how many zeros. It should be 9. And in scientific notation, 10 to the power of 9. Okay, same thing, guys. Try and give this a shot yourself. You can see that we're multiplying by 1,000 3 times again. And simplify. Again, you still have a lot of zeros. This time we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. So 10 to the power of 6 is what we have. Tons to milligrams again. Multiply by 1,000 3 times. And you can see that we're going to have so many zeros. Count them up, guys. Give it a shot yourself. And you should get 10 zeros. So 10 to the power of 10. Kilograms to milligrams. So kilograms to milligrams. Larger to smaller. So we need to multiply by 1,000 and multiply by 1,000 again. So multiplying by 1,000 2 times like that. So to grams and then milligrams. So we get 1,000,000 milligrams, which is 1 times 10 to the power of 6 milligrams, because there's 6 zeros here. Kilograms to milligrams again, do the exact same thing, multiply by 1,000 2 times, which means you have so many zeros. Count them up, guys, very carefully. You should have 8. Again, same thing, kilograms to milligrams, multiply 1,000 2 times, and simplify, so it's 5 times 10 squared, because there's 2 zeros.